has caused a few problems. If she gets too close to the hive, the bees are not happy with being barked at. And Georgie experienced a few bee stings, and so at the moment she's in retraining to be quiet or as calm as possible, which can be very challenging. You see when she comes in, she's quite an enthusiastic dog. And so I'll see what Georgie says about the, which one is the AFB.
One thing we've done is, because we're going for a second opinion, I've changed the AFB around on the hive.
So you can tell her indication is slightly different, but you can see prior to both of them dogs barking or sitting, distinct change in behaviour. So the dog recognises the owner of, in this case, AFB. And so the dogs have learned over the 12-week training course to ignore, we call it non-targets. Anything else that is in a beehive, the dog has learned to ignore. So you imagine how difficult